Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you this plastic foldable chair set. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up. We're going to try it out and I'll show you what it looks like. In this package, we have 8 pieces of these folding white chairs. The chairs are made of high quality polypropylene plastic that is durable as well as resistant to any corrosion and scratches. I also love how easy it is to maintain these chairs, and we can easily clean it with just a cloth. The chairs also have a triangular cross-braced metal frame that gives the stability and support that is needed to be able to use with a maximum weight of 250 pounds. On the bottom of the chairs, we have slip-resistant and wear-resistant feet, making it not only great for outdoors but also safe for indoor purposes without worrying about scratches or damages on flooring. And it is so easy to start using this without having any complicated assembly. And the chairs are designed to be both foldable and stackable, making it a great option to maximize our space during storage. And the lightweight construction makes it also easy to carry around to different areas depending on our needs, whether for home use, for outdoor gatherings, camping excursions, or other events. If you are in the market for a high quality, comfortable set of folding chairs, this is definitely worth looking into.